Today we're going to be testing out Ulta's brush and sponge cleanser. I just bought this the other day, and so I haven't tested it yet, but I want to see like how well it works. I've had a really hard time finding a brush cleaner that I actually like, so hopefully I will like this one. I'm gonna go ahead and wash all my brushes, and then I have a few new brushes that I got, and I'm just gonna wash them just because I always wash brushes when I first get them. Maybe I'm weird, maybe I'm the only one who does that, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I just finished cleaning all of the brushes. They look really good. I'm actually really impressed with Ulta's brush cleaner. However, I did have one issue, and it's really not a them issue, it's a me issue. Look what I have left. I totally underestimated how much I was going to have to use. So I will definitely be buying more. They had a really big bottle. This is a 1.7 ounce bottle or 50 ml bottle, and they had like an 8 ounce bottle. So I'm definitely going to be getting the 8 ounce bottle because I will need it. Look how pretty, you guys. Okay, so I was really impressed with my beauty blender. Like, look how clean I got it. I've had this brush since I was like 15. And it's so clean. I don't think it's ever been this clean, honestly. I'm just excited about how clean all my other brushes got. Like, look. So if you're looking for a brush cleanser, definitely go try out the Ulta one because it worked wonders for my brushes, which have not been cleaned in a hot minute. Future Alexandra coming to you for a minute. Directions on the bottle say to wet the brush or the sponge and then liberally spray on brush cleanser. Like, massage the cleanser into the brush and then rinse it out until the water runs clear. Then you squeeze the excess water, blot it with a paper towel, which I didn't do. I just kind of like tapped my brush on the edge of the sink to get the excess water off, and then lay on a flat surface to dry, which I did. And so I let it dry overnight, and y'all, my brushes are like so clean and so soft. Like, all of them are so soft. So soft. This one especially was like really gross. It had like foundation all in it, and it is so like soft and clean, and I'm so excited about it. I'm going to be showing y'all my most favorite lip scrub. It is a hard candy. It's called Instant Lip Fix. It's a lip treatment duo. It's got the scrub and then a treatment. So that's what it looks like. And so first you do the scrub side, and then this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and put the scrub on. So it feels really weird. It's like kind of rough, but it's like exfoliating at the same time. And it looks really gross. Like, when you look at your lips after, it looks really gross and it feels really weird, but afterwards your lips are so soft, it's so worth it. That's what it looks like. See, it looks really gross. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off now, and then we'll come back and I'll do the treatment. Okay, so I went ahead and washed it off with warm water, but now I'm realizing like the inside of my bottom lip is real dry, you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it one more time. So my lips already feel softer. And then the treatment is on the opposite side, and then it's like a lip gloss. Okay, so here we go with the treatment. So the treatment part kind of feels like a gloss. I typically just leave the treatment on until it wears off, but you can leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes and then wipe it off if you want. I just leave it on so that it moisturizes my lips as much as possible. But this is like my most favorite lip scrub ever. My mom actually introduced me to this, and I love it so much. I use it at least once a week, sometimes more. They have it at Walmart. It's like a couple bucks. It's not anything serious, and it lasts you a good while. So y'all should totally go try this out. And don't forget to like this video and go down below, click the red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys next time.